Jackie Chan is a Hong Kong martial artist, actor, stuntman, film director, action choreographer, screenwriter, producer and singer. He is known for his slap acrobatic fighting style, comic timing, use of improvised weapons and innovative stunts. He has trained in wushu or kung fu and hapkido. He acted in more than 150 films since 1960. Jackie Chan was born on April 7, 1954 in Hong Kong. His parents nicknamed him Pao Pao. He attended Na Hava Primary School on Hong Kong Island, where he failed his first year, after which his parents withdrew him from school. He was then sent to the China Drama Academy. Chan joined his parents in Canberra, Australia in 1976, where he briefly attended Dickson College and worked as a construction worker. Jackie Chan began his film career as an extra child actor in the 1962 film Big and Little Wong Tin Ba. 10 years later, he was a stuntman opposite Bruce Lee in Fury and Fist of Enter the Dragon. He then had starring roles in several kung fu films, such as Little Tiger of Canton and New Fist of Fury. His first major breakthrough was the 1978 kung fu action comedy film Snake in the Eagle's Shadow, which was shot while he was loaned to Seasonal Film Corporation under a two-picture deal. He then enjoyed huge success with similar kung fu action comedy films such as Drunken Master and Young Master. Jackie Chan began experimenting with elaborate stunt action sequences in The Young Master and especially Dragon Lord. Project A saw the official formation of the Jackie Chan stunt team and established Chan's signature style of elaborate, dangerous stunts combined with martial arts and slapstick humor. A style he further developed in a more modern setting with On Wheels and notably Wheels Police Story, which contained numerous large-scale action scenes and is considered one of the best action films of all time. Chan continued his style of slapstick martial arts mixed with elaborate stunts in numerous other films, such as the Police Story sequels, the Armor of God series, Project A Part 2, Dragons Forever, City Hunter, Twin Dragons and Drunken Master 2 among others. Rumble in the Bronx made Jackie Chan a mainstream celebrity in North America, leading to a successful Hollywood career with the Rush Hour and Shanghai Noon series. Chan produced an animated series Jackie Chan Adventures, which ran until Jackie Chan appeared in his first dramatic role in an American film, The Karate Kid. In the Chinese Indian co-production Kung Fu Yoga became his highest-grossing film in China. As of 2021, Jackie Chan has appeared in nearly 150 films. In 2016, he teamed up with Johnny Knoxville and starred in his own production Skiptras. He began producing commercial records in the 1980s and went on to become a successful singer in Hong Kong and Asia. Since 1984, he has released 20 albums and performed in Cantonese, Mandarin, Japanese, Taiwanese and English. Chan voiced the character of Rong in the Chinese release of the Walt Disney animated feature. In 2007, they recorded and released We Are Ready, the official one-year anthem for the Summer Olympics, performed at the Summer Paralympics. Chan is one of the world's most recognizable and influential cinematic personalities. He is also a world-renowned philanthropist and has been recognized as one of the top 10 philanthropic celebrities by Forbes magazine. As of 2016, he was the second highest paid actor in the world.